Hey guys, that's a 90s kid and welcome to 90s Kitchen. In today's video, I am going to do fish cutlets. For this, I have taken a deep stock pot in which I have added like an inch of water. I have placed a deep colander. In this, I am going to place nicely cleaned fish. So this takes 10 to 12 minutes to steam. So now the fish seems to be done. This needs to cool down completely for a minimum of 15 to 20 minutes or the temperature is kind of manageable to convert this into boneless meat. Now I am going to debone the fish. Apart from the central bone, it also has soft bones, which is very important to remove because you do not want bones while eating cutlets. The steamed and boneless fish is ready. Let's move on to cutlets. For this, I have taken a larger bowl. To this, I will be adding in boiled and peeled potato. Do not mash these because you need those little chunks while eating the cutlet. Then goes in the steamed fish. The first thing that I'll be adding in is some ginger, garlic and chili which has been crushed. To this I'm adding chopped onions and some finely chopped coriander leaves. To this I'm adding a pinch of turmeric powder and half a tablespoon of red chili powder and sprinkle some chaat masala. Add some salt as required. Need to give this a nice mix. Do not mash the pieces of fish or potatoes. Let it be nice and chunky while mixing this. Add an egg for binding. Ensure you are doing it with light hands because you do not want it to clump together and become pasty, but the mixture needs to hold together. Time to convert this mixture into patties. I am taking around 2 to 3 tablespoonfuls of mixture. I am bringing the mixture together, putting it down lightly and ensuring the edges are smooth. In a bowl, I have taken fresh breadcrumbs. Give it a flip, roll it in the breadcrumbs and tap it lightly again. Similarly, I have done all the patties. And this has to be refrigerated for a minimum of 15 minutes before pan frying. I have taken egg whites, dip the patties. It's time to pan fry this. Heat it with some oil. Carefully I am going to place these. Do not overcrowd the cutlets in the oil. Carefully flip the cutlets after a minute. Now it's time to remove the fried cutlets. Stay connected by liking and sharing our videos and subscribe to 90s Kitchen.